What's up, guys? I got this Jeep here. If you guys got the Jeep Grand Cherokee, same setup. You need to replace the headlight bulb. This is the driver's side here. You can go down here, turn this cover. I'm going to show you how to do that. I do have this side apart, and it's very simple to change this bulb. I got this vehicle on the lift, but you don't need to have it on the lift. So the size of the bulb is H11, okay? Let me put this bulb nicely down. I don't want to touch the flare. So all you do is you turn this guy, and this becomes right there. You see the notches, and this comes right out. And after that, what you do is inside there you have this bulb sitting in like this direction. It has a connector on. All you do is you turn it with the connector, and then you bring out the bulb, and that's how simple it is. And the harness right here, let me show you the harness. This is the harness. You can take out the harness later on. So simply what I'm going to do is with one hand I'm going to take this bulb, and since it was here sitting like that, just make sure you remember where it was at. You see these earlobes, they sit inside and turn. And then since we turned it downward on this side, now I need to get it to the position and turn it back and put the connector in. You can put the connector in now if you like. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm put the connector in and just stick the whole thing. Once it's done, that's how simple it is to change a bulb. You see it is a little tight in there, but you should be able to put your hand inside there just like so. You should be able to put your hand in there. So the camera's not gonna catch anything, but you should be able to put your hand in there. So once it's completed, I'll show you guys. I got my bulb in there. As you can see, it's hard to see in there. So what I did was I put the harness on. Once you attach this guy, once it sits in the position, just put your finger right here, and you're gonna do this all with one hand, and you turn this guy. Make sure you put your finger right in the neck of this, back of the head, and turn it. If you try to put it here, it's gonna be crooked. It's not gonna go in properly. Oh, prior to that, before I remove the old bulb, this cover has to come off. You just take this and you just pull it right, peel it right off, and now I'm gonna put it right back on. Got the cover on, and you're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. If you want to change the bulb on the driver's side, so you take this guy and make sure you line it. It has to line, and then they make this so weird. Okay, so we need to just turn this guy. So all we need to do is turn this guy really hard. Can't do it with one hand. Just turn this guy really hard. Okay, I'm probably gonna have to push with the screwdriver a little bit. There you go. And just bring it straight here, just like that, and you're all done. Thank you for watching, guys.